That's not my girl.
Hey, hold him there.
That's not my girl.
Hey, Terence? Terence, is that you?
That's not my girl.
Hey!
On May 1, 2021, Utah Highway Patrol responded to a crashed vehicle on I-80 in Salt Lake City. Inside the car, troopers found a woman suffering from gunshot wounds and a male suspect who ran south across the freeway. The fleeing suspect was identified as 35-year-old Terence Vos, a wanted parole fugitive involved in a violent domestic aggravated assault earlier that year. Salt Lake City police officers began searching nearby neighborhoods. Minutes later, they located Vos trying to break into sheds.
He's running up here. Gotcha. Let's get a unit south of. I'll go. With you.
Show me your hand!
Show me your hand! Hey, do not move! Do not move! Get on the ground!
Stop! He's over the fence! Hey, stop! He's over the fence! Hey, stop!
He's running through the parking lot, going southbound. You're past your trip. That's not my girl!
Watch the blood.
That's not my
Hey,
girl.
hold him there.
That's not my girl.
Hey, Terence? Terence, is that you?
That's not my girl.
Hey!
Get his other arm!
Terence!
Okay. Get his other arm!
Hold him!
Okay. This is not working. Don't pull with me. This is not my wife, bro. Wait out, man. This shot hanging out, man.
27th and 3rd.
This shot hurting out, man. This shot hurts. Shoot me. So good. Probably roll them over, double lock these.
Yep.
You can ask me. I would do this for you. Alright. Just leave them.
We don't have to worry about finding him anymore.
Nope. There's something like green. Check his waist. Yep. Baloney safe. I got you. Alright, get this side. Can we get a couple guys to walk back where he ran?
Yeah.
To that backyard?
I gotta go that way, anyways. I gotta go pull my car off.
Is it Chandra?
He shot her, bro.
That's her name, right?
They pulled up and tried to shoot me, but they shot her.
Still on this?
Where was you at, man?
Yeah. We'll have to have it transport him.
Shut my wife.
Well, I need to find out what's going on, bro. Where were you at? So we can get
They were in
the
the
right.
old school.
Were you were in Salt Lake, South Salt Lake? Where were you at?
I was with her.
Where?
And they shot us in the old school like a freeze.
Yeah, but I'm trying to figure out where it happened. So where were you at? Were you at a house party? Were you at a club?
After spot.
Where's that at?
Anybody got some water in their car?
Absolutely, man. What do you mean?
We need to find out exactly who did this and
I
why they
don't
did
know.
it.
I don't know who did it. They just pulled up and they started shooting.
So you
Is
guys
that you
were
that-
at a natural
that was
spot.
running
You
at
guys
me when
were
I-
on the
We
road?
were
Good.
it was
This
an
was
after
down here?
spot, but
Yeah, I was
we
like, how do they know my
got
name?
There's no problems
Did I
there.
said it on the radio? Yeah.
Okay, are you
Yeah,
shot?
I caught up
Just
to you
your
right
wife
here.
was?
Gotcha. Oh, yeah,
So they
obviously.
pull up
I was about to switch
side
the taser, you
on
did.
the neck?
Switch that chainsaw.
From the back, the side, and the front.
And so the shooting happened on the roadway?
Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah.
Right as we were pulling out. I opened the door and they walked up right beside me and they tried to shoot me into the
Right
door.
by the Harley Davidson?
They tried to shoot me into the door and they missed me, dog. I stepped back and they hit her.
Okay. Okay, well, so they were out of the vehicle then?
You seem smarter now.
They're in a black Malibu. Hey. There's a black Malibu.
A black Malibu? Is that what they left in?
Yeah.
Old one, new one.
I was happy when I saw your car.
It wasn't.
Gotcha.
A black Malibu for sure? So do you know who it was?
I don't know who it was, but I know what side it was.
What side?
I can't tell you that, bro.
Well, I'm trying to help you out, man.
I know.
Like I said, I understand what happened.
They're trying to shoot me. They shot her.
Southwest State 2 twice. We drove by super slow after this happened.
He's saying Malibu, but
A gray or black Malibu.
Right, you're back. Who drove it? You know?
King and his
King and his who? What does he claim? What set's he with or what? Is he a Sereno? King? Like when you say King is bitch and his bitch, you talk about King and his girl or he was the main shooter?
He tried to shoot me and he shot her.
Was it his ride then? The Corolla? Or
Malibu.
the Malibu?
Black Malibu.
It's his ride?
I think so.
I'm gonna go grab my car. Gotcha. Yeah.
I wish
know-
he
you know what
shot
King-
me.
Yeah, but not who would have had the problem with him.
He got dreads.
So tell me more, man. Come on, I'm trying to help you out.
Hey Terrence, we got medical here
So
for you. They're gonna take a
where
look
you
at you,
hurt-
all right, bro? Can you roll over so they can take a look at it?
Wife's my wife, okay?
Terrence, we're gonna check on her, okay? But I need you to roll over so the paramedics can take a look at you, okay? Can you roll over, or do I gotta? I don't want to have to pull on you.
Left or right?
Either way. Which way? Here, roll my way so they can look at
fine. I got hit.
it. I know, but they gotta take the probes out.
And we're gonna get a set of vitals on you as well, okay?
Set the fucking gun to the window, dog, and fucking try to.
Okay, these are gonna hurt, just so you know. I know, it's gonna hurt.
No,
You just gotta pop the
I gotta
probe
take
I don't
out.
want it. I don't want it.
Well, it's
No,
still in
negative. I refuse.
Dude, it's still in your
Terrence,
skin.
you can't.
Please stop.
Terrence,
Please stop. Please stop.
Don't. You can't, bro.
Please, please just stop.
I gotta take it out with you. It's gonna be like a band-aid, okay? See? We're done.
Hey, so listen. Hey, you gotta listen to me. All right.
He shot my
all right,
bitch
Terrence.
right in front of me, blood. What am I supposed to do? I want to kill these.
I know you do. Listen to me.
Oh,
Okay. So, hey, you and I've met like a bunch of times, all right? So I'm with the city gang unit, okay? And I know you, okay? Look, I know your
it was
story.
my daughter.
I
Now
know.
it's her.
I
That's
know,
all
bro.
I had in life.
I know, okay? So listen, this is how things have to happen, okay? Because you were there, some detectives are gonna come talk to you, okay? So I'm willing to help you out, but you gotta show me that you're gonna be.
I was there, but I didn't save her.
Okay, listen to me.
I was there, but I did not save her.
Look, man, I was right up by your mom's house. You want me to talk to your mom?
What am I supposed to say? I didn't have my shit. I didn't have it until I went to her car and I shot back twice and it didn't do shit.
Where'd you put
That's my wife, dude.
Hey, bro, you did your best to defend. Where's the strap?
No, I didn't, dog.
Where's it
I
at?
seen her in my arms bleeding. This is not the same. I didn't do the best.
What else are you supposed to do, bro? What else are you supposed to do?
Is she okay?
We're checking on it right now.
Please don't leave your
We're
arms
we're
with
just
me.
waiting for it. Yep.
Please don't lie to me.
Bro, what do you want me to tell you? I'm with you. I wasn't there. I wasn't at the other side. But look, bro, I can help you get you a cigarette and that stuff, but I gotta know that you're gonna be rational, be calm like you.
It was these GDs, but it was the same shit that happened this week. With Darnell, it was the same. It was the same.
GDs? You had problems with them earlier? In the city or where at? In the same area?
It was just shit happened with KO and they acting weird.
Really?
We didn't have with now we have
Was
with
Lon done
him.
with you?
No, he wasn't. He was coming, but he wasn't with me. I haven't seen him in a minute, but he was coming.
Okay.
What is this? You shoot me. Please have a cigarette, please, brother. It's in my pocket.
All right,
Please,
man.
I'm
So,
no extra shit. I'm not tripping.
No, I just want to get you set on the curb so you're not just freaking sitting your ass on the asphalt here. But I gotta let you know one thing, okay? So we're not in Salt Lake. So there's another agency that's calling the shots. So I'm gonna go talk to them, make sure we get you a cigarette.
I tried, bro. I
know you
tried
did.
to shoot back, dog, and I couldn't get to my shit in time. They kept shooting.
All right.
They shot right in through the car, right through the window. I seen the flashlight.
All right, help you out, right?
I knew.
Give me just a minute, Terence.
Vos was taken into custody by South Salt Lake Police and treated for minor injuries. Investigators later confirmed the woman in the crashed vehicle, identified as Shandon Scott, had been shot before the crash and was pronounced deceased. Vos was questioned and eventually turned over to detectives investigating the homicide. No officers were injured during the pursuit or arrest.